Looking for a free, ultra-realistic text-to-voice tool that doesn't require any credit? Open Akool. First, head over to Akool.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign up for a free account using your email or Google login. Access text-to-voice. After logging in, click on AI Voices or search for text-to-speech. Type or paste your script. You'll find a range of lifelike voices, both male and female, in multiple languages. You can even adjust the tone, speed, and emotion. Click Generate. Once it's ready, you can preview and download your voiceover. Akool's voices sound incredibly human. All without any credit or watermark, completely free. Whether you're making YouTube videos, reels, or podcasts, Akool makes voiceovers easy and pro-level. Give it a try. Like and subscribe for more free AI tools.